Around the ages of 1968, 1970, a funny, introverted person giving a lecture on the behavior of wave and particle interaction. Sounds pretty normal, and yeah, it's pretty normal. Even it's so normal that I also felt that it was wrong, or might be wrong, and I hope that I will be predicted as wrong. Telling about that lecture giving person, I'll come on back later, but first let's observe a short history about the basically a process which human imagination turns into reality and its process. For example, the Wright brothers invented the first operative method of flying things in air, and it was tested by flying it. In the minds of these brothers, there was just a clear purpose of building a flying machine. Simple, to go from one place to another. Or let's say about the equation E is equal to mc square, which basically discovered by the Albert Einstein and around the year of 1905, fundamentally telling that everything in the universe, everything is energy. Albert Einstein, the Wright brothers, they all are pretty awesome in their own ways. All are thankful for their inventions and discovery, and all are pretty regretful for their own invention and discovery. When Hitler come into the power to begin the World War II, he commanded excessively to drop bombs from flying machine. Yes, that flying machine that was purposefully invented for go from one place to another and enhance the transportation of humanity as whole. Or for example, let's take Robert Oppenheimer. He taken an equation of E is equal to mc square by Albert Einstein and operated with the make a blast of this boom. On this atomic bomb, when detonated to blast, the very simple and yet very exceptional reaction of Albert Einstein was, oh my god. And the guy I was talking about in the beginning of this video, the lecture giving guy, he was named Richard Feynman. He studies about quantum mechanics and how particles and waves behave in as a whole one form thing. To conclude it in a nutshell, that quantum mechanics can do wrong things by the wrong people. And I really wonder what are your thoughts on this.